guys, Steph here. Okay, so what have we got for you today? Well, we've got for you, it does what it says on the tin, we've got a Parker pen for you. Now, this is, well, another pen that I acquired recently. So it's an interesting pen, so I thought, yes, definitely deserves a review. So as you can see, it comes in the outer box. If we open the, or if we take it out of the outer box there, you can see it comes in this plastic Parker case here, which is, yeah, for the year of the pen, I would say. I'm not sure if it's the original box, but it is a period box for that particular year. But if we open it up, there we go. Let's take the pen out. Again, it's got Parker. It's got this little, yeah, sort of silky red bottom here. So let's pop that to one side and let's show you the pen in question. Look at that. An absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous pen. What we've got for you here, nice and simple, is what they term as a Parker 45 lady fountain pen, and it comes in this, the pattern is what they term as Gold Brocade. Now the Parker 45s, for you people that know or don't know, came in lots and lots and lots and lots of different variations. They're actually great pens to collect. If you can collect or you concentrate on the Parker 45s, there's a multitude of different colours, patterns, etc. to be able to collect. This particular pen is one of the less common Parker 45s. As I say, it's the Lady Gold Brocade model, dating from around about 1967. If we take you sort of close up, there you go, you can see it's got this lovely sort of gold, yeah, it's a sort of a diagonal spiral pattern. Okay, and the interesting thing on this particular pen is, look at the bottom there. It's got this wood effect, sort of end finial or cap or whatever. And if we take you up to the top of the cap there, it's got this little wooden stud or again finial to the very top there. Now one thing you'll notice, nice and simple, it's a clipless fountain pen. The reason it's a clipless pen, when they actually sort of brought this pen out, it was designed for the lady to be able to pop it into her handbag or, well, wherever she would like to sort of keep the pen. So it again specifically designed for the lady, a clipless model, very nice indeed. And as I say, one of the very, well, it's a less common model. You don't see a lot of them actually coming up for sale. This one, incidentally, we'll be looking for a new home for it, because I'm sure there's Parker 45 collectors out there that don't have this particular model. So the size of it, incidentally, from the top of the cap to the bottom of this sort of wood effect cap at the end, is around about 144 millimeters capped. Around the barrel at the top here, although it tapers to the sort of fattest side at the top here, around about just a tad under 12 millimeters in diameter. Now let's show you the only imprint on the pen is on the cap here, and it's rather unusual. If you can see there, it actually has the word Parker, but there's actually gaps in between the word Parker. Now I've actually, it's basically the ones I've actually seen doing my homework, they all had the same. But what's the reason of the gap between the Parker word there, the letters? Anybody know? Let us know. And then if I turn it round, you'll see it says made in USA, and then it's got the sort of the halo, Parker halo to the top there. But look at that again, the Parker word with gaps in between the letters. Very unusual, strange. If anybody knows the answer, down below, give us the answer, because we all learn something new every day. It's a friction fit cap like all the other Parker 45s. And basically it didn't need a lot of work. I've just simply cleaned the pen internally. I've took it all apart, everything's been cleaned. It's in absolutely gorgeous condition. There you go, there's the section. You can see it's got this clutch ring in sort of silver just above the barrel there. There's the section, and the nice thing about this particular section, whereas a lot of the 45s have what they term as, well, it's called shrinkage on the section, this one's absolutely perfect. And there's the sort of semi-hooded nib there. Let's give you a little bit of a close-up. Okay, and then if I turn it round, I'm hoping you can see just to the back, just underneath the nib there, we've got the letter B, indicating that this nib is a broad nib. Okay, so there's the back, there's the B just below there, again a sideways view, and there's the nib, a lovely broad nib. Absolutely gorgeous. A very comfortable pen to write with, but saying that, with this being the less common model, would somebody actually use it, or would they actually pop it into their collection? I don't know, but as I say, we'll look for a new home for it. Whoever the new owner is, they can do whatever they wish with the pen. If we unscrew the barrel, there we go. Nothing inside currently, but as with all Parker 45s, it's a cartridge converter pen. And just to the side here, there's the converter. It came without a converter or any cartridges. I found this converter, I've cleaned it out internally, so this will be supplied with this particular pen. So let's pop it back on again. So as I said, Parker 45s, many different variants. There was some lovely prototype models that they actually made, which are very rare to find. There were some different kinds of patterns, etc. Some are actually rarer than others. This particular one, as I say, the Brocade in gold. It also came in a silver brocade pattern, so all intents and purposes the pattern was exactly the same, but it was silver as opposed to this one being gold. So there we have it. I've never had one of these. It was interesting to come across it. As I say, I'm sure there'll be somebody out there that's got a nice Parker 45 collection and is missing this particular model. As I say, very uncommon. You don't find a lot of these available. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Again, just down below, press that thumbs up symbol, give the video a thumbs up. But just for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.